My name is Lion Sin Escanor. Pretty bold of you to claim that you're the one who stands at the pinnacle of all space. You are, without a doubt, the cockiest human I've ever met. And that is the sin of pride. My attacks have no effect on you. Who decided that? Your darkness swallowed up my son? Who decided that? I will be the one to decide.
No matter the size, giving up keys, giving up, please. To my dream, but I got your bitch all on her knees. They know I'm a big bounce, got a big bounce in this bitch. They know I'm a big talker, have my big body and that's it. No, it's time, bitch. R.I.P. Bitch may die. Turn the light on my side. Bitch, how the lights off for you inside. Make some plans with my dick. Hey, she going ham on my dick. Sitting on stand on my dick. Hey, she going ham on my, she going ham on my dick. She made some plans with my dick. Sitting on stand on my dick. Hey, using no hands on my dick. She made some plans on my dick.